Are you looking for the best waterproof LED lights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best waterproof LED lights that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the outdoor string lights by Omika. This one comes in a length of 66 feet and is a highly reliable product. It has multiple colors and can go on any occasion. Moreover, the product comes with UL certification that makes it safe to use. This also includes a versatile remote control, and you can easily adjust the speed according to your needs. It serves as an ideal product for decorations and makes sure there will be tangle-free installation. Additionally, this will offer you better flexibility, and it comes with ultra-thin wire. Furthermore, this will also let you remove it conveniently and comes with transparent pipe covering. Moving on at number 4, we have the LED strip lights by SENYERGIANT. Composed of high-quality materials, here is a waterproof LED light that comes with infrared remote control. This will offer you multiple advantages as it can go on different occasions. Moreover, the product has multiple light patterns, and you can even choose from different modes. Additionally, this will let you set it perfectly as you can easily cut and connect it. Furthermore, this has double-sided tape installation and does not consume much power. It has low heat so that you can touch it safely. The LED light is available in a complete set and can be great for different events. At number 3, we have the waterproof light strip kits by Sxlofty. The waterproof LED light comes in a safe-to-use design, and it has an automatic light conversion. This is made of high-quality materials and allows you to have better flexibility. Moreover, the product has a length of 32.8 feet, and this includes an infrared remote control. It has low heat, and you can even touch it. With this, you don't have to worry about the short circuit, and it also comes with memory function. Furthermore, it features high-quality adhesive so that you can easily stick it anywhere you want. Additionally, the LED light will let you cut and attach it conveniently so that there can be a perfect installation. At number 2, we have the DAYBETTER LED Strip Light Waterproof. Equipped with a strong adhesive, this one will let you have a hassle-free installation. The waterproof LED light has superior performance, and it can go on different occasions. Furthermore, it comes with multiple features and helps to save on your power bills. Moreover, this is also cuttable and linkable, which lets you have a perfect length. Additionally, it has wide applications, and it does not require additional accessories. You can use it conveniently, and it has stable heat dissipation for user convenience. The product is suitable for different applications, and it also comes with multiple light patterns that create a perfect environment. And finally at number 1, we have the MINGER LED Strip Light Waterproof. Giving you the option to choose from 2 different lengths, this waterproof LED light comes with brightness and dimmer controls. It has an infrared remote control, and you will also find a power adapter. Moreover, it comes with multiple colors, and it can change the speed and colors automatically. Furthermore, it is composed of high-quality materials and comes with multiple safety pictures. This has short-circuit protection that makes it a reliable product. Additionally, this is also very easy to use and lets you have a hassle-free installation. The product also has memory function and is available in a complete set.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.